Hello boys and girls, and welcome to Tom's Tips, and it's another Mythbuster type tip today. Another Mythbuster from one of our reliable sources, Mr. Dick Puller. And he's come up with a formula of detecting leaks on oil and gas. You don't need a detecting fluid on water, you can see it pissing out, can't you, when it's but gas and water, you need some help. Now he's come out with this formula. You can put in a squirting bottle. As you know, if you go out and buy this squirting bottle that the gas people recommend you use, it's going to cost you a lot of money. But with this formula that Dick Puller's come up with, it's only pence, and you can mix big bottles of it. But like we've always said, it's no good saying this will work and that will work. You've got to prove it. So now we're going to see the proof of the pudding. Is it in the heating? Let's have a look. Okay, so here's our rig, and as you can see, it's just a length of pipe. On this end there's a rad valve fitted. I'm just going to loosely tighten it up, just nip it up a quarter of a turn so that it's leaking a bit. Okay, so I'll just pump this pump thing up. That's a bit too fast of a leak. I was losing the pressure straight away, so I'll just give that another little quarter turn or another little nip up. I just want it so that it's leaking a slight amount, like that is. If I go down to the gauge, which is there, pump it up, you'll see that's got a slight leak on it. Okay, now with that slight leak on it, I'll just go put that up again now. Here's our normal type spray that I'm getting camera shot. There's our normal type spray that you'd buy from the plumbers merchants. The gas board would recommend you use, and we'll see what it does on the now. I don't know if you can see that, but there doesn't seem to be anything happening. Mind you, we've lost the pressure again now, so I'll pump that back up, and we can't see anything at all there. So I'm going to use Dick Puller's blend of stuff, and if you look under there, you can probably see it from the camera. I don't know if you could, but straight away we've got bubbles there. I don't know if the camera caught them, so I'm going to move it. Alright, so I've pumped it back up again now, and we'll give it a spray. Anyway, I'm just going to tighten that up a little bit more because it's escaping a bit faster than what I want it to be. So I'll give it a little nip up. Right, so that's better. Now I'm going to redo the bought stuff first. And with the bought stuff, you don't see too much. But just watch this. You know, that's brilliant. That's much better than the bought stuff. You see, you can see it escaping there. Much better. So we can say that Mythbuster is actually a good one. That's a good tip. Right. So what we're doing? How do we make it? Let's go back to the office. Okay, so what's the secret formula? Right, this is the stuff you buy. Regan leak detector spray, fine mist atomizer, economy size. I don't know how much they are, but it'll not be less than a £5 or something like that. This is a bottle of an old medicine bottle, and I've put one of the squirter tops on it. You know the sort you get. That come out of I don't know whether it was a Mr. Sheen bottle or a window cleaner or something like that. And you just make one up. But what's the secret formula? First of all, you put some soft soap in. Not naming any brands, you pick your own brand, put soft soap in, and then you put this in. This is the secret formula. Glycerine. That bottle will cost you 90p from Tesco. 90p from Tesco. So, never be fooled by a leak again. How many times have we been running about and can't find a leak that's just very slight leak and it does your head in? No, never be done again. Thank you very much to Mr. Dick Puller, our Scottish member. Thank you very much, and we'll see you again for the next one.